Greetings, it's demonstration time. Let's go ahead and get started. We have labels that's going to indicate the front of our fixtures. And we've got 3 different fixtures for you today. They're similar, just different sizes. What we're going to do is we're going to go through a 2-part process. So we're going to go ahead and set the box into the fixture, then we press it down and make our fold. So to set it, we're just going to break these flaps here, pull up against the pillars, and then you can go ahead and set it into the fixture, press her down, and make a couple of folds. And that's our first one. And our second one is going to be very similar, just a little different size and shape. Once again, we're going to take our box, just going to set it on top of the fixture, break our flaps. We're going to press it into the fixture, then press her down. Once again, a couple of folds. And we have our second box. And lastly is our largest one. Sit there on the table. Take our box. Break our flaps. Up against the pillars. Set her into the fixture. Now we can go ahead and make our folds. And we're just about there. There we go. Thank you very much.